Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Presenting the remarkable pre-owned 2022 Ford Bronco Advanced in Cactus Gray with a mere 5,000 miles. This off-road beast comes equipped with Ford's Sasquatch package, providing enhanced capability and ruggedness. The Sasquatch package includes 35-inch tires, front and rear locking differentials, a high-clearance suspension, and off-road tuned shocks. It empowers the Bronco Advanced to conquer any terrain with confidence. With its distinctive cactus gray exterior, spacious interior, and advanced off-road features, this Bronco Advanced offers an exhilarating driving experience for adventure enthusiasts. Don't miss the opportunity to own this rugged and capable vehicle that's ready to take on the toughest challenges. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.